starting my makeup with this moisturizer and blending it and moisturizing it at the same time. Now I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. This primer will help the foundation or the base makeup to glide on our skin very smoothly. I'm applying this Kryolan makeup that I brought from a local store, and I'm applying it on top of my eyelid. This has amazing coverage, and after that I'm using this Sugar Translucent Powder Compact and patting the powder on top of my eyelid. Now I'm using this brown shade to create my creases and adding up more deep colors to define it. After that I'm using this Swiss Beauty Glow palette and using the shimmer colors like silver and white to create a depth between my eyes. Because for a performance you really need to brighten up your look so that it's really visible from the audience side. After blending everything well, I'm moving towards the eyebrows. Now I'm using this black and brown shade of eyeshadow to make my eyebrows. I'll make sure that I make some bold lines so that it is very defined and perfectly sharp. I'm using more brown colors on the onset of the eyebrows so that it looks natural. For creating the eye look, I'm using this Ramble Cosmetics Max Jet Black Eyeliner. It is a sketch eyeliner and it's very easy to use. You can draw your eyes with this and you can see how dark it is. First, I'm creating a line above my top eyelid. Then I'm extending a line through the outer corners of my eyes. And also extending the line in the inner corners of my eyes. After that, I'm joining everything from the lower lash line to the upper lash line. I'm using Ramble Cosmetics Kajal. This is a beautiful kajal and it's jet black, and I am mixing the kajal and the lower lash lines eyeliner very well. Moreover, I'm adding this black eyeshadow with an angle brush and blending everything very well so that it looks smooth. Now I'm applying this Kryolan makeup base and applying the base all over my face and blending it with a damp beauty blender. We'll just pat it on our face and you can see how smooth my base is looking. After that, I'm using this Sugar Translucent Compact again to set my base so that whenever I'm performing, it should not hamper the base or the makeup. Now I'm taking a contour powder that is from PAC, and now I'm taking the contour powder on my fingertips and making my nose look really sharp by harshly contouring my nose. I'm using this amazing palette from Swiss Beauty and using these two colors to pop up my ample of my cheeks, and you can see how beautiful it looks. It also has shimmers to it, so it's perfect for any dance occasion. Moreover, I'm using the golden shades from the same palette for highlighting my face. We'll use this highlighter on all over our face wherever the high points are available. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline, and after that I'm using a lipstick from Swiss Beauty. It's soft cream lipstick in the shade 05. So here I go with my complete look, and you can see and have a look.